right, pay attention, Bubba. You ain't heard nothing from me in a while, so come on around here and take a look what we've been doing. Completely rebuilt this whole bay window. Rebuilt the lower section down here, about 6 to 8 inches all the way around. Completely new seal, had to be completely rebuilt. It was termite damage, water damage. We even found a snake in there. There'll be a picture on the video. Completely changed all the glass, reglazed them. Everything was run through a planer again, get all the old 10 layers of oil-based caulk off, paint. Completely rebuilt all that, put all that together, brand new seal, completely built, all arches, 3 pieces, all screwed together. This plywood is original. This is original. And from here down, it's all new. Okay, we added this little decorative edge on here just to give it a little more pop. And it came out beautiful all the way around to here. We also did it again down here on the bottom, all the way around. And that's the inside. Outside it looks just as good. I'll have that one in another video. You guys have a good day.
Ease my mind. Where I come from, you work until it's done, and you crack a cold beer 'cause you've been up